All right, guys, so I'm getting ready to finally wind the 3 coils. Actually, I'm just going to wind one of them first just to see for a test to see, how much I need to wind to actually get the magnets to move. So I have 28 gauge there, and I have my coil winder. Now, I don't know how well this is going to work, but I'm going to give it a try. I figure if I hold the wire down here and then just move it in this fashion as I turn, hopefully I can get it correct. I know that Sky Collection is going to say, dude, wind it by hand. But I'm like, But he's probably right. I probably need to wind it by hand. But I'm going to try it first since I have this coil machine. What I need to do, though, is I need to put something in here to make this tighter. So if I let go, it won't back out. This is really loose, which is good, but I need to make it a little tighter. So I'll figure that out. So once I get one wound, I will try to assemble the whole thing. I haven't gotten the magnets in there yet, but I'm giving it a try. But I also wanted to show you guys this. I don't know if any of you are familiar with Jimmy Diresta. He's a tremendous maker. I've been wanting to get one of his ice picks for a long time, and he wasn't selling them for a while. And I finally got one. And these things are awesome. Of course, they're handmade, and they're just great to have. It's just a great tool. And he's also selling now these, I guess what he's calling a blade blank. It's actually a horrendously sharp blade, but it's kind of a blank where you can either keep it just like this, or you can build a handle for it. And so I'm kind of torn. I've seen some guys build clear handles so you can still see the name. But yeah, this blade is horrendously sharp, so I'm keeping the rubber thing on there because I will cut myself. But when I was getting this blade, I finally realized that he has some ice picks. So yeah, he's just a really, really talented maker. But I'm going to get ready to start doing this guy here. And once I get it done, I'll come back and show you guys. All right, ciao.